What's good, Locs fam? Welcome back. Alright, I gotta talk fast real quick. I want to come at y'all talking about conditioners. Now, I first came at y'all talking about conditioners, said don't use it, right? That's when I looked up the information without even going into it. Now, the best research you can do is experience. Go ahead and try this shit out and see what the fuck happened, right? Trial and error, see what's going on. That's what I did. I grabbed some shampoo, babe, grabbed some conditioners. I was like, you know what? Let me try this conditioner. You know what I'm saying? Shampoo, condition, wash the body, rinse it out. Boom. Did that. Guess what? I didn't have to do anything after getting out of the shower and retwisting. I didn't have to add no oils. I didn't have to add no moisturizer, no sealing, none of that. I didn't have to hot oil treatment, none of that. I was good to go. No real dryness. I got eczema, so it was around the edges. But man, I'm talking about them flakes, them itchy spells. No, that don't come until my head is really dry and like it's dirty. Like it's been a month and a half. That's the only time that happens. So what I'm trying to say is, if you do want to use conditioners on your locks, don't be scared. Do it. Go ahead. Do it. I dare you. I double dare you. Bet ain't nothing gonna happen. If something happens, you can come to me. So be like, look, you owe me locks, bro. I cut them and send them. What's up? I got about 180 something. What you need? You need them thick? I combine them. You know what I'm saying? Get a crochet, wick them up. What's good? Take note for the video. If you need to use a conditioner, just use it. Moisturize your shit. See what I do right now? I shampoo, condition, and nothing else. I have been using a leave-in conditioner. That's only just to get like cigarette smells out of my hair. I put it in there. I'm good to go. Boom. If you really dry, you just need to wash it and find something that will keep you moisturized. You know what I'm saying? Trial and error, basically. If what you're using right now is not getting you where you need to be, you may need to switch some of them products up and see what happens with that. You know what I'm saying? Try to use, of course, organic-based, healthy stuff, but at the same time, use something that works best for you. Everybody's different, so get that in tune. Feel me? Appreciate y'all for watching, liking, subscribing. All of my new subscribers from this year, shouting y'all out right now. Appreciate y'all. Keep it locked, keep it healthy. Peace.